into the new premises. Just a drone, eh?
And pictures.
Alright, what's up ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. And once again, I am joined with the brother Carl. And we have just picked up the 2022 220i. And this car, when we picked it up, it had about 84 Ks on it. So it is fresh. So right now we are going to a secret location to do a awesome sunset photo shoot, which hopefully is going to turn out awesomely. That's the whole objective of this. So hopefully all goes well. We shall vlog, because sometimes we don't always get to that, but we made it a priority. And yeah, we're going to make a whole bunch of videos, take some good photos, and freaking have some fun. Start the first section of the shoot. We are going to drive across the bridge. We have the 2 Series sitting nicely over here, and then yeah, we're going to get it done.
Setting up the drone?
Yeah, so we're setting up the drone now to get the shots that we need, get some sick shots and carry on with the video.
Do what we came here to do.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so you can get in. You're going to drive now. Sick. Get a cinematic shot. Okay, cool. Okay, so when this white car is done, then you can come through.
So yeah, there's another white car here. I think there's 2 coming out here.
For the vlog. Right, ladies and gentlemen, so behind the scenes here, we are waiting to get picked up by the vehicle so we can move on to the next shot in the sequence of the video. We have the lovely machine here, sitting pretty.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yes, it looks good. It looks good. So we are now venturing into the bushes where we're going to find the next location for the next shot in the sequence, the cinematic sequence. So, how's it moving? Orbit control. Well, we'll find it. It's there somewhere, I'm sure.
This is just foot on the brake and then accelerator.
Hey, these bushes are thick, bro. I don't think I'm getting in here.
Oh, we don't want another instance from Winston.
You know how long is it taking?
Definitely not in this car.
Agreed. Okay, when you're ready, you can drive past. I'll tell you when to stop. Hey, I mean, the shot looks freaking good, dude.
Dude, the whole thing looks good.
The car looks good. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have attached the GoPro and we are now going to continue to get lovely shots. So let us do such.
It's been good so far.
Yes, it has been freaking awesome so far. Such a nice car. It gets lots of looks, that's for sure. It's a very eye-catching car. Even with people with fancy cars, they'll still stop and look at it. So,
I agree.
good stuff. Right, so forwards. Let us receive the video. What a sunset we got going on over there. Grape. It's still on.
What happened?
I opened the door and I forgot that the GoPro was on there. So
After just putting it on.
I mean, there's nothing, so that's good. Looks brand new. Otherwise, yeah, dude. It was a stressful situation.
Stressful.
Jeez, dude.
Bloody hell.
Let me. No, what is the sick one on the bonnet, eh? Like here on the front. No.
You think so?
No, I think so. Dude, just get angles, dude. Sick.
Sick. Oh, it's busy now.
Proper from car shows, yeah, dude. Oh, yeah, let's drive. Alright, so now as you can see, we have adapted the GoPro to fit on the bonnet. Hopefully we get some sick footage. So let's see what we can come up with. So just drive to like probably by the other side. And then Malacca. and then we move on to the photo shoot location we have all been waiting for. Let's do it. Right, the vlog is back, ladies and gentlemen. We have just finished up at a top secret location. We have completed the first segment of the cinematic sequence. So yeah, now we are en route to part 2, where we will now do the photo shoot, and yeah, hopefully it's magic. Hopefully we don't hit any potholes in this terrible road over here. So yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous. At least they've actually filled some of the actual potholes since the last time we were here. The last time we were here, we were like dodging like we were flipping drunk. But yeah, nevertheless, successful, lovely day today. A little bit of cloud cover, which is always great for a sunset. Got the good bro time, and yeah, otherwise chill vibes. Chilled vibes. Okay,
We are here.
yeah, we're here. We're gonna scope out today.
Oh,
Dude down there is gonna be freaking.
secret location. These people have tried to block this off so many times, countless times, and then they just come and pull it down. You can see how a lot of people have been here. So if you don't know this location, sorry for you.
The will of the people.
Sorry for you.
Sorry for you.
You're not privileged enough.
Yes. Exactly. So yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to head down to the bottom, and we are then going to take some photos, get that done, and get some videos done. We have some smoke bombs. Hopefully that'll be interesting.
Very excited.
Otherwise, brilliant. I mean, look at the car. It looks freaking beautiful just sitting here. Just pure amazingness.
So good.
Yeah. Oh, dude. So we are at the location. Great stuff. We are now going to set up so we can get some good videos going. Complete the absolute masterpiece that is soon to be.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Oh, now it's dead already.
Holy shit, yeah, it's not much. Yeah.
I think we can, because we'll look cool with the lights. No, window up. Dude, the sun sets so quickly. Jeez, dude.
Yes. You're a little bit skewed. Oh, that turbo!
Oh no! Dude, that was sick.
Dude, that was freaking legendary. Dude.
I was wondering what the fuck that was. Ooh, 164.
Holy crap.
So, we have just completed a young photo session.
Yeah.
Now we are about to leave to go haste to or whatever, yeah. And then tomorrow we shall rendezvous more or less same time and go to some locations that we'll plan, and we'll do further photo shoots to match this one, if not better them.
Yeah.
And we need to figure out some way to carry on with the video, with cinematic shots. So yeah, so let's do that. Put some good tunes on, get some B-roll for on the way home, and the vlog shall continue and pick up tomorrow.
Hell yes.
Fuck yes.
Part 2 tomorrow.
Oh yes.
vlog. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, vlog lights. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are currently on the way home. We just finished wrapping up a shoot. We tried the smoke bombs, they were a bit of a letdown.
Yeah.
Nevertheless, we got some good shots, lots of bugs. But yeah, otherwise, this car is freaking awesome. Like, what do you think of this car, genuinely? You've driven
so
it,
good.
you've walked around the car. What do you think?
It looks good. It drives good. It's comfortable. It's got a decent amount of power.
It does, yes. Especially for
Right?
every day, just
Yeah.
driving around.
Yeah. Like the detail, check this. That is just so cool. I think that is so
That is
cool.
such a cool touch, yeah.
That's probably the best touch I've seen in a BMW so far.
And it suits it.
Yeah.
It looks good. It
Yeah.
really looks good. It's like a cool little touch. It's not like, I don't know. It's on some cars, I don't like the way they put those clip-ons in the front grills, where it's the same colors, the light blue, the dark blue, and then the red for the BMW M.
This is different.
Yeah, this is
It's just different,
Yes.
yeah.
Car is functional. The only problem is it's a two-door, but I mean that's what you get with the 220. It is what you get. You're getting an awesome car that looks freaking amazing. People just can't help but turn their heads when they see the car. Freaking awesome. I mean, I don't
It's so
really
good.
see a downside to it. Back end. What do we think of the back end? A lot of people dislike it. So it's one of those things like when
Really?
BMW changes something and tries to do something different, and then not everyone likes it. What's the sound?
It's the road.
And I was hoping it wasn't the tires. I was like, "Oh, fucking, I'm on panicking, panic stations. Yeah, I think the back end looks flipping nice.
Yeah, I don't know. I think you either love it or you hate it. It's one of those things. It's yeah, but I don't know. This car, the whole way around, I think it just looks so good. It just looks so good.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. So yeah, we shall update the vlog. We are currently stuck in traffic, which is not good.
Yeah. Stuck
So,
behind who knows what.
Yeah, hopefully we can improve the situation
Yeah.
and move forward with the vlog.
Lekker.
Right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the vlog once again, and today we are actually just about to pick Carl's car up because he got his car valeted. So it is all nice and shiny, as you can see, very white. We just came from the car wash with the 2 Series, also nice and shiny, as you can see. Look at that sunshine. Let's get a good shot here. Wow, yeah, that's great. Just gonna pick his car up. Then we are gonna move over to one of the locations where we are gonna do the photo shoot and video shoot for BMW. So we shall move and do that momentarily. Take another look at the vehicle, looking absolutely lovely. The vlog is back, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to it. So we are once again in the 2 Series, and we have just finished up another photo shoot. Unfortunately, we didn't get any B-roll of that, but it's okay. We shall get more B-roll eventually with other things. So we are here in Randburg. We are about to pick Carl's car up from the wash, as you saw just now. So that's finished. So we're going to take that home, pick him up again, and then we are off to a good location where we can then do the review on this car. And then after that, we'll go to another location for photo shoots and further video shoots. So that is what is happening right now. So right now we're on our way home to Carl's place just to drop off his car, and then from there we are going to be moving up onwards to the photo location that is next on the list, where we will then also start with some cinematic videos, which is going to be awesome. So yeah, let's do it.
Vlog update.
Vlog
Bloody
update
hell.
number whatever it is. Yeah, we're sitting here in the sun trying to hide away.
Yeah. I'm trying to hide up from the sun here.
Yeah, so we're just gonna head into the estate that is in front of us, and then we are gonna hit up a couple photo shoots, and we actually want to try and finish the video shoot in here. We want to sort of make a little storyline where it's like going from the wilderness, which is where we were yesterday, to the suburbs, whatever you want to call it now. So I think it'll look really cool in here. So hopefully we can make that happen. There's a Mercedes with freaking pink indicators behind us for some reason.
Pink
It
indicators.
just stopped. Yeah.
Oh my soul.
So yeah, we're gonna get that done, and then we shall be good, and we'll give another update soon. Fuck yes.
The vlog continues.
The